Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we've got the brand new Plant vs Brainrot Christmas event update. I made 3 awesome objects just for this video, so stick around and let's jump right in. Evil Present. Last week I waited all day Saturday for the update. They said it would drop at 11 AM, but nope, 6 hours later it was still counting down. I came back again, and boom, it was 12 hours later.
How could you do this?
Heartbroken, I decided to leave and come back 2 days. And guess what? Voila, the evil present was sitting right near my garden, sparkling and shining. Christmas egg. I got this egg, but honestly, I didn't even realize when I picked it up. It just kinda appeared in my inventory like magic. Castlino Fortini. The brainrot of the week. I got this after battling tons of brainrots. The game says it's a 1 in 480,000 chance to get it. That's super rare, and super cool. Alright guys, that's it for today. If you enjoyed the video and want to see more Christmas updates in Plant vs Brainrot on Central Island, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, drop a like, and leave a comment down below. I'd love to hear what you think. See you on the next video.